Hello everyone, my name is Sam from AlgoTrade Pro, and today I'm going to show you how I made over 4,000 euros in profit in 2024 using XTB, investing in stocks and ETFs. I'll walk you through my entire portfolio and provide a step-by-step guide so you can also take advantage of XTB and invest simply and effectively in 2025. Stick around until the end as I will be buying some ETFs and stocks that you definitely don't want to miss out. First of all, I want to thank XTB for supporting this video. They offer 0% commissions on both real stocks and ETFs with a minimum transaction value of just 10 euros. These conditions are valid for monthly volumes up to 100,000 euros, and for transactions above this limit, there is a 0.2% commission with a minimum value of 10 euros. As you can see, XTB is available in several countries, including European countries, the UK, Australia and the United States, and they are fully regulated by the financial authorities of each country. So let's answer the first question: why should I choose XTB? With over 20 years of experience and over 1 million investors, XTB is a trusted and well-recognized brokerage, properly regulated in each country. For example, in the UK, they are regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, and in the United States, they are regulated by the FSC, among other international authorities. This provides security for investors. Being named Brokerage of the Year in 2024, XTB offers several advantages that I want to share with you. The first, and in my opinion, the best advantage, is XTB's zero commission. Stocks and ETF investing are completely commission-free up to 100,000 euros, maximizing your profits. Even trading forex, crypto or other assets comes with 0% commissions and a minimum spread of 0.3, which is amazing. To check the commissions for any asset, you can simply click on the Instrument Specification green button and view the commissions for your favorite assets. Next, XTB offers a wide range of assets such as stocks, ETFs, forex and commodities, allowing you to create a diversified portfolio. Also, since 2023, they offer interest rates on uninvested funds up to 4.75%. This means that just by keeping your funds in your XTB account, you can earn interest, which is far better than leaving your money in the bank. Another major benefit of using XTB is their intuitive and user-friendly platform, XStation 5. It's ideal for both beginners and more experienced investors. It's fast, efficient and provides all the necessary tools. You can access it on your laptop or on the go via your mobile phone. In addition to these benefits, XTB also offers free educational content and the ability to create automatic investment plans, which I could analyze in other video if you would like. Let me know your opinions in the comments. To get started, you can create an account with the first link in the description. You never know what promotions XTB might have at the time. Just like last year in January and February when XTB offered a free stock for new clients. Once you click the link, you will be sent to this page where you can create your account for free. The process is very simple and quick, and if you have any questions, you can always click on the chat button for 24/7 assistance. After signing up, you can log into your XStation 5 platform using the email and password you created. Now let's log into my account. Here's a quick look at XStation 5, the platform where you'll be making your investments and trades. On the top left side, you will find the Market Watch, where you can search for your favorite assets. You can also click on the plus button to create an automatic investment plan or check the interest you are earning on uninvested funds. In the center, you will see the chart with technical analysis tool and other resources like news, market analysis, free courses and your account history. At the bottom, you will find your open positions and account data like margin, free funds and overall profit. As you can see, the platform is simple and intuitive, and even the smartphone app works just as smoothly. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a deposit. At the moment, I have 488 euros of free funds, but I will add some more to show you the whole process. Just click on the orange deposit button, select deposit money, and here you can choose between card, PayPal or bank transfer. I will go with the bank transfer option. Now I just need to go to my bank, Revolut in my case, enter the details, select the amount I want to send, in this case 100 euros, and enter my account number on the reference, which is visible in the top right corner of the Xstation 5 screen. After confirming and sending the transfer, it usually only takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the money to be credited to my account. Now let's take a look. I had 488 euros as you saw, and now I have 588 euros. Let's move on to buying my ETF and stock for this month. I will start by buying the ETF, which is based on the MSCI Europe Index, consisting of companies from different sectors. It's a solid choice with a good average return and low risk. I will drag it to the chart to check the price fluctuations. To buy, I will right-click on the chart, select New Order and choose the volume I want to buy. In my case, I will be buying 4 shares. Once I click on the Buy button and confirm the order, it's all done. Next, I will do the same for the stock I'm buying this month, which is AMD. You will see 3 options here. The one ending in DE is in euros, the one ending in US is in dollars, and the one marked CFD should be avoided, as we want to buy real shares. I will select the US option, pull it to the chart, click on New Order and select the volume I want to buy. Another cool feature of XTB is that you can buy fractional shares. For example, if you only want to invest 10 euros in a stock, you can, as you can see. I will go ahead and buy 2 shares of AMD, since it's a relative low price stock with a fair value price of around $170, and that's it. Before we wrap up, I want to make you an invite. If you'd like to know why I acquired AMD this month and how I achieved a fair value of around $170, don't miss the next video. I will explain why I believe its value is lower than it should be and what kind of returns we can expect from it during 2025. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to get notified of the next video, and of course leave a like if you enjoyed this content. Until next time, and happy investing!